Welcome. So I have the new ROG Ally and I just wanted to apply a tempered glass to it. Now funny thing is, this is basically some cheap crap ordered from China obviously. But the reason I'm kind of pointing this out is because just kind of look at this. It literally says that it's the glass for Asus ROG Ally 7 inches. Everything seems to be checking the boxes correctly. What doesn't check the boxes correctly is the actual size of this. Neither does it fit the entire display. It leaves a lot of it uncovered, but it doesn't even cover the entire display itself. So if I light it up and align it correctly, you can see a huge freaking bezel right here that is kind of like sticking out of the tempered glass. So I'm not exactly sure how to apply this so it's least annoying for my OCD. I guess I'm just gonna try to strive for like middle stick right here, maybe something like this, so both sides just kind of poke out a little bit equally, and see how that comes out. Anyway, let's clean off the display. Now, I will be doing this with the screen turned on so I can actually see where the actual screen is. I am trying to clean this display off of any kind of dirt. There we go. Now let's just jump straight into it. So this should be right about middle, hopefully. Like this. Looks about right. Anyway, it's already sticking to the display. And there we go, we have our display almost protected. If we skip the bottom, the top, the sides, and a tiny bit of portion of the display. Great, China. Anyway, if you found this video helpful and fun, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.